Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add PayPal as a payment method in Etsy. So all you need to do is open any browser and then type in etsy.com and then navigate to your sign in button. You will see sign in button here. If you're not already signed in, press on sign in, or if you don't have an account, you simply press on register and register for Etsy, and then press on your profile icon. You will see sale on Etsy here. I've already done this step, so I have shop manager here. If you also already done this step, you only press on shop manager. Now in setting up your account, you can see how you will get paid. Etsy Payments gives buyers the most payment options and gives your Etsy seller protection. So as you can see here, there is PayPal option. All you need to do is to scroll down until you find add your bank information. Now for PayPal, there is no selection, so you can select PayPal and then you simply put in your credentials, your login informations, and then you authorize Etsy. So what you need to do is you just go to PayPal and contact the customer services and ask them that for the informations of your bank name, account number, bank code, branch code, and Swift BIC. And you can simply tell them that you need to integrate your PayPal to your Etsy shop, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.